Hello and welcome to our channel, and we are continuing AI, and specifically we started our journey of AI with AI agents. All right, this is lecture 3, so this course is pretty damn new, so you still have a chance to get back to lecture 1 and 2 and start with lecture 3, right? So lecture 3 is going to be a continuation of lecture 2. In lecture 2 we had discussed this flowchart where we had the agent core LLM that acted as the brain. It had 3 other team members, that is planning, memory and tools. In our last class we covered the planning part, wherein we looked into decomposition and react. So decomposition is basically a bigger goal is divided into sub goals. So that is your sub goal decomposition, and react is basically like a loop. So it is like reason plus action. Okay, now so the planning part is already covered in our last class, and today we are going to look into the others. All right, so let's begin with memory. All right, and here I have shown, and in last class also we have discussed this, that in the memory we have to look into the short term and the long term. All right, so let us look into them. Let us first start off with short term memory. Now, when we talk about short term memory, what do we actually talk about? Basically, we talk about the immediate context window of the conversation. Basically, by this what do we mean? That what just happened a few steps ago. Now, if you are working with an AI agent, that means you have a bigger goal that you need to finish. Let this be the actual outcome that we need from the AI agent. So stepwise I am feeding it to my AI agent, all the steps 1 2 3 4, so on and so forth. All right, now of course this is a bigger task at hand, so stepwise we are trying to complete them, isn't it? So let's suppose today I completed till steps 1 to 3, and let's suppose there are 10 steps. Okay, so today I finished from step 1 to step 3, and I'm going to get back to this tomorrow. So tomorrow when I come, I have to, and let's suppose parallelly I am in a job as well, I am on YouTube as well, and I have several other hobbies that I am looking into. All right, so I have completed steps 1 to 3 today. Tomorrow, or let's suppose 2 days later when I come back, let's suppose I don't remember till what I have done. Okay, so I will need some kind of a reminder that okay, how much have we done and what is the process in which we have completed it, so that we can move on from step number 4, isn't it? So how will we keep track of what we have done? Through short term memory. Okay, so the immediate context window of the conversation, what just happened a few steps ago. Okay, this is what we mean by short term memory. If we are talking about short term memory, then we should also talk about long term memory. So let us look into that as well. Now, when we talk about long term memory, what do we talk about? Okay, let us see that. So we actually talk about external storage. And by that, I'm not talking about any hard drive or pen drive like that. We are talking about vector DB. Okay, this is a separate topic, so just continue with me for this class. When we get to vector DB, you will understand what do we mean by vector DB. Okay, so for time being, just understand that this is a sort of database. Okay, and what does this external storage do for us, this vector database do for us? It allows the agent to retain and recall information across days, weeks, or entirely different sessions. Let's suppose I had one idea, okay, and I started off without much thinking. I started off, okay, with the help of my AI agent. Let's suppose I completed step 1 to 3. And then life happened. I don't even remember about this idea anymore. Let's suppose I suddenly an epiphany occurred and I remembered about this idea, and I remembered that okay, I just left my work incomplete. So again, if I have to come back, will I start off again? That is very stupid, right? To start off again. So I will ask the agent that, hey, do you remember what we did? What was the last thing we did about this particular thing? Now I might have completely closed out that session. I might have left it and I might have asked different questions, different things in that particular window, right? So to store those things, we have this vector DB, okay, and because of that vector DB, we'll be able to recall, okay, that okay, out of the 10 steps, we had completed only step 3. Remaining are steps 4 to 10. Okay. So because of this external storage, we are able to retain and recall information across days, weeks, or entirely different sessions. Alright, so this is your short-term memory and long-term memory. Alright, now the fourth member of our team is what? Tools. Okay, so what are these tools? These tools are nothing but the hands. And what is this memory? The log. Okay, so we have to now discuss about the hands. And if that is the case, then what is planning? Planning is strategy. Okay, planning is strategy. So let us discuss the tools now. This is what separates an agent from a simple chatbot. Okay, so this is the point of difference. An agent is given access to external tools such as executing a Python code in sandbox, searching the live internet, calling external APIs, such as if I want to know what is the weather like, okay, so it will do the for that particular location what is the weather search. Okay, it can also be used for querying databases, interacting with terminal command. Okay, so this is how an agent differs from a simple chatbot. Basically these are the hands. Okay, these are the hands. So it has been given access to external tools. Externally I can run a Python code, externally I can search the live internet. Okay, externally I can make it search for the weather, DBs and terminals as well. Okay, so this is the tools, and with this we have covered the core blueprint of an AI agent. So LLM we already know. First class we have discussed what is the LLM. Second class we started off with this core blueprint, isn't it? And we discussed planning. So reverting back to our first session, what did I say? That what is the difference between an LLM and an AI agent? That the agent will have the notebook, of course the brain. I need strategy, and not just strategy, I need execution of those strategy. Simply by giving, okay, this is what I need to do, if I stop there, will I be able to be successful? No, right? I have to execute my plans. So this is how AI agent is different than an LLM. Okay, and we have discussed the 4 pillars. So these are the 4 pillars of an AI agent core blueprint. Okay, wherein we have the LLM, that is our brain, planning, that is the strategy, memory, that is the log, and tools, that is the hand. Okay, so I'll end the class today here. Okay, and I'll again request that we are on to the road to 1,000 subscribers. If you have joined us right now, if this is your first session with us, kindly subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Each and every single subscription, each and every one of you have motivated me to share my knowledge with you guys, and I'm really grateful for this journey. Let's grow together, let's learn together. On that note, stay happy, stay updated.